What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we are looking at Jasmy, which has pumped up near about 8% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.036 cents. So we'll be looking at his prediction for the rest of this January and going into 2025. What can we expect? Is it a crypto worth investing into? And essentially looking at this short-term and long-term prediction. But before I do that guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the RSI at the bottom, it is currently at 48.14 guys, which is pretty low. However, we can see over the last few days it has slowly been climbing up. Reason being is the value of Jasmy has also been climbing up over the last 3 days, which is good to see. So a good start to the year. However, as you guys know, previously when that took place in late December, it literally went for a price correction, which I'm not predicting this time. I'm expecting it to keep, well, majority of the days should be green. We should also expect red days in between so that it's sustainable, but the overall outcome over the next few weeks for most of January should be more on the bullish side and should be getting closer to the 5 cents value by the end of January, early February is what my predictions are at the moment. And coming back to the RSI, this shows us it's nowhere near being over or undervalued, so it is pretty much on target. So no major crashes or pumps are expected. We should see a slow and steady increase in value. Zooming into the 4-hour chart, compared to yesterday's video, the support level has increased once again. So over the last few days it has been constantly increasing, and its next support level is just about here guys, over the 4 cents value, which I'm expecting it to pump up to essentially over the next few days. Getting closer to 0.045 cents by mid-January is what my predictions are at the moment. But again, Jasmy is a crypto that I do keep you guys updated on a daily basis, so if there are any major updates or news that come across, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. Zooming into the 4-hour chart and the MACD indicator, here we can see that the MACD line is trading above the signal line and above the baseline, so a bullish movement is what is expected from Jasmy over the next couple of days. So over this weekend, early to mid next week, we should see Jasmy climbing up in value, hitting more green candles, potentially getting closer over the 4 cents target is what my predictions are at the moment. Zooming out to the daily chart, the MACD line is just below the signal line, as you guys can see here, but the good thing is it is moving in a bullish direction, so we should see it cross over the signal line over potentially early next week, which means a bullish movement is expected for the rest of January going into February and early March. So essentially in Q1 of 2025 we should see Jasmy increasing in value, hitting more green candles and heading closer to the 5 cents target or 0.055 cents. But as you guys know, daily updates, so you guys can stay up to date on if there are any major updates or news. So looking at this chart here, since last month, which was the 4th of January, which is just about here, all the way up until now, the crypto has actually lost 4% in value in the last 4 weeks, which is not good to see. However, it did go for a major price correction and it should recover right now or over the coming weeks. And we can see Bitcoin is also looking quite strong, even though it hasn't fully recovered from its price correction earlier in December. It is slowly hitting green candles and has been doing so over the last 4 days, which is again good to see. So I'm expecting it to head over $100,000 by mid-January and heading closer to hitting a new all-time high by late January, early February, which means we should see an overall increase in value in the crypto market. And as you guys can see, the crypto market right now over the last 24 hours is on the green side, with majority of it, including EOS, up near about 12%, Cardano up over 12% as well. So far it is looking quite good, and Jasmy is also looking quite good for Q1 and for the rest of the year going into mid 2025 to late 2025. So in the second half, an overall increase in value is what is predicted. However guys, it all depends on how Bitcoin performs. I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer to $170,000 towards the end of the year, and this should have a major positive outcome in the crypto market. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume is up 26%, currently at $167 million. It is as high as it has been over the last week and over the month, guys. We've seen a major drop here, 7%, but we are slowly starting to recover. Let me know in the comment section down below your prediction for Jasmy in 2025. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit? I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments. A lot of people are saying 10, 15, $20, which is a little bit too high out of the scale for me. Even $5, a lot of people have been saying that. However, it is not sustainable. Potentially just under the dollar mark is what my predictions would be at the moment, because it's only trading at around the 3 cents value. And of course, we have to take into consideration the red candles that are likely to appear in between as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.